Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you have a Kamado style grill that you are looking to protect? I have the perfect grill cover. This is from BBQube and this thing is amazing. I have never seen a grill cover that is made from such durable material. It is made from a heavy duty polyester canvas, and let me tell you, it is super strong. It is definitely a thick material. It's really well stitched together, and I love that when you flip it over you can really see that it is definitely a water resistant material as well, so you know that no matter what is going on outside, your grill is going to be protected. So I have a smaller version of a Vision grill, but this is made to fit many makes and models of the egg style or Kamado grill. So no matter what kind you have, it's probably going to fit. You just want to make sure you measure. So this one comes down to about the floor. If I had the larger size Vision grill, it would come just above where the wheels are. And either way, it is perfect for covering the grill and really keeping it protected. I love that there is a zipper. So our previous grill cover did not have a zipper and it was such a pain to get on and off. This one has the zipper, which not only makes it really easy to put on the grill and it takes zero time or effort, but it also ensures that really good fit. So not only is this durable, it is weather resistant, rip resistant, it also looks really nice. So I just really like the design of it. It's nice and simple and clean, and it just makes the backyard look tidy as well. So if you are looking for a grill cover for your Kamado style grill, definitely 100% check out this one from BBQube. It is super nice quality, really gonna stand the test of time. We absolutely love it, and that is my point of view.